Hi guys, Walmart has the vegetable and fruit seeds already. The brands that they have are the Back to the Roots, and the price per packet is $2.97. Have the organic Fairy Moors, it's $2.46 per packet, and the Burpee seeds, $1.96 per packet. For the Back to the Roots herbs and veggies, they have different varieties of the basil, culinary blend, Genovese, red robin, the sweet ones. They also have borage, German chamomile, chives, the slow bolting cilantro, dill, fennel, fenugreek, and the English lavender. Oh, they also have the lemon balm, peppermint, spearmint, different varieties of the parsley, Italian large leaf, moss curled. They also have rosemary, sage, swirl. I think this is thyme. For the veggies, they have the arugula, beans, blue lake bush, green ones, the garbanzo beans, Kentucky Wonder, whole green, pinto beans, royal purple pot. They have beets, jalapeno peppers, kale, different varieties of the lettuce, isn't that nice one, the red oak leaf, Miss Clon, gourmet salad mix, the okra, evergreen bunching, Walla Walla onion, yellow sweet Spanish Utah onions. They have the peas, different varieties. They have the green arrow, the Oregon snow sugar pod, snap sugar daddy, peppers, the cayenne thin chili, habanero, hot pepper mix, pepperoncini, poblano, sweet red marconi, pumpkins, jack-o'-lantern, small sugar, different varieties of the radish, cherry bell, which is the round one, daikon, elongated ones, French breakfast, German giant, spinach, squash, crookneck, early prolific straight neck, spaghetti, Waltham butternut, Swiss chard, tomatillo, Or is that tomatelo? Tomatoes. They have the Cherokee purple, red cherry, Roma, Marzano, turnips, watermelons. They have the crimson sweet, jubilee, sugar baby. They have zucchini, black zucchini. What's this? Cocozelle, Ford hook, summer squash, golden zucchini. They have the flowers. Bachelor buttons, calendula, cosmos, daisy, linaria, marigold, different varieties of the sunflower, the autumn beauty, lemon cream, mammoth gray stripe. They have the wildflower mix also, and the zinnias, California giants, come uncut again, red beauty. $2.46 per packet of the Ferrymores. They also have the herbs, the vegetables. They start with the green beans, beets, cantaloupe, different varieties of the carrots, chantenay, red cord, Danvers, Nantes, petit sweet, broccoli, cucumber, more carrots, multicolored, cauliflower. We have kale, lettuces, onions, peas, peppers, pumpkin, the green leafy vegetable, arugula, spinach, summer squash, winter squash, Swiss chard, different varieties of the tomatoes, eggplants, okra, bunching onions, bell peppers, radishes, more summer squash, zucchini, and more varieties of the tomatoes, turnip, and watermelon. The Ferrymores flowers is $1.96 per packet. African daisy, alyssum, they have the white, dark pink, amaranth, the annual cut flowers mix, bachelor button, coleus, cosmos, dahlias, forget-me-not, they also have marigold, moonflower, different varieties of the morning glory, moss-rose, nasturtium, pansy, passion flower, petunia, snapdragon, and different varieties of the sunflowers. Different varieties of the zinnias. They have the black-eyed Susan, Goldilocks. They have the cactus mix varieties. For the Burpee non-GMO, the price per packet is $1.96. They have the same vegetables, fruits and flowers as the other brands. The organics, it's $2.46 per packet.